In this video, I'll show you how CyberGhost VPN works and how you can use it properly from inside the app. Before we move forward, if you want the fastest, safest, and most reliable VPN, make sure to check out NordVPN. You'll find the NordVPN link in the description if you want to grab it at a great discount. Now let's get started with CyberGhost. First, you need to download and install the CyberGhost app on your device. The installation is simple and works just like any regular app. Once it's installed, open it up and log in with your account. As soon as you log in, you'll see the main dashboard. It's very clean and shows a big Connect button in the center along with all the tabs and features on the left side. To explore the servers, click the small arrow to expand the server list. Here, you can browse all countries or use the search bar to find a specific one. CyberGhost has a wide server network and offers specialized servers too. For example, if you choose the gaming servers, they show the lowest ping, which helps reduce lag during gameplay. CyberGhost is actually one of the few VPNs that offer dedicated gaming servers. You'll also see special servers for torrenting. These P2P servers are optimized for safe and fast downloads and work well with apps like uTorrent. If you look at the distance indicator on the right side of each server, you'll notice that the closer the server is to you, the better speeds you'll get. For streaming, CyberGhost provides streaming-optimized servers that help you unlock geo-restricted content in high quality. These servers even tell you which platform they are optimized for, so you instantly know which one to connect to for Netflix, Hulu, Disney+, and so on. There are also dedicated IP servers, which give you your own personal IP address instead of a shared one. This is useful for things like logging into banking websites or avoiding security checks on certain platforms. Now let's move to privacy settings. This section lets you control things like blocking malicious websites, preventing DNS leaks, and enabling the kill switch. I recommend keeping all these enabled because they protect your data if your VPN connection suddenly drops. Next, there's the Smart Rules section. This is where you can automate many things. For example, you can set CyberGhost to automatically connect when you open the app or automatically protect you when you join a public Wi-Fi network. You can also add exceptions for websites you want to bypass the VPN or create app rules so CyberGhost automatically connects when you launch a certain app. Finally, inside the settings menu, you can choose your VPN protocol. This basically controls how your data is encrypted and transferred. CyberGhost usually selects the best protocol automatically, but if you want the fastest performance, WireGuard is the recommended option. So that's how CyberGhost VPN works and how you can use all of its important features easily. But before we end, I just want to say that while CyberGhost is good for basic use, NordVPN still beats it in speed, security, streaming reliability, and advanced tools like threat protection and MeshNet. So, if you want the best overall VPN experience, definitely check out NordVPN using the link in the description.